So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft Planner background. So the first thing you want to do, once you open up your Microsoft Planner account, you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios. You can see a layout of plans right here. So you'll need to open one of the plans since Planner doesn't really support on the layout on here, so you can't really change the background through there. The one thing that you can do is go through settings and you can add themes on here which will change, but that's not really the entire background, so we'll do something a bit different. So let's open up one of the plans. On there you can see a couple of different tasks, some buckets and so on, so the usual. But from there, if you want to change a background, you will need to click on the name of your plan, and on there you can see the owner, the start, you can see finish, duration, calendar settings. You can choose from template, and you can see how it looks through there. And if you use some different plan, you can see straight away plan details, and you can see suggested backgrounds. So one of the things that you can choose from here, so you can see a background that's a bit different, or something like this or this. So it really depends what you want to show through your plan, or if you just want to have fun. So you can even see some other backgrounds if you scroll down to find them. But there's usually once you start this default background, but you can switch between those two, but between those other backgrounds as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.